Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as the title suggests, today is all about the Bengali bridal look, and this video is so close to my heart. I have been wanting to do this makeup tutorial for such a long time, especially because when I went to Bangladesh, I actually got my hands on this beautiful Banarasi sari with the dupatta, and I was trying to do this video for a long time. So finally I had the chance to sit down and film this video. So I like to start off my makeup with putting some primer on, and for that I've used my Smashbox primer. This is their hydrating one. And for my eyebrows I'm using my Brow by Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm using my angular brush to draw my eyebrows. Once my brows are done, now it's time to go for GimMe Brow. This is basically a brow mascara kind of thing, but I love how tiny the wand is and it fits so perfectly to make sure that your brows are set. Now I'm going to start off my makeup with my eye makeup first. For that I've started using some concealer. This is the Boing Concealer by Benefit Cosmetics, and I'm just making sure that my entire eyelid is covered with this. Also, don't worry, I understand that this concealer is super bright, but it also is going to make the eyeshadow pop, because every time you want the eyeshadow to really look bright and like super pigmented, you really want to put a base that is actually super light. That way all the colors are shown on the eyelid. So once the concealing part is done, I'm going to move on to the eyeshadow. For that I've used my Jaclyn Hill palette volume number 2 by Morphe Cosmetics, and it's a very straightforward tutorial. The first shade that I've used for the crease, it's called Love Handle, and it's a beautiful transition color actually. And also I'm going to mix it up with some Comfort Zone, which is the one next to it, and it's beautiful. The combination of these two colors are amazing. So these are the two colors. Sorry, the first one I've used actually was Comfort Zone, and then I've used the Love Handle, but basically they're the same thing. Now Living My Best is the next color that I'm starting to use. This is, obviously you can tell, it's super nice and bright red color. I did want this makeup look to be a little more bright and colorful, so that's why I'm going with this look. The next color I'm using is called Crazy. And then the next color that I'm going to be using on the outer corners, it's called Temptress, and this is their black eyeshadow from this palette. Now moving on to my lid, I'm actually using this gel eyeliner by Inglot. I believe it is a number 96, but don't count me on it. I'm going to write down all the description down on the description box so you guys can see. And honestly, this is my go-to eyeliner for cut crease look or semi-cut crease looks. I love it. And here I'm just basically applying some more of the Living My Best, which is the red color, and then I'm going to apply some Oh Hello together with some Temptress, which is the black eyeshadow. I'm just making sure that the edges are nicely blended. Next, I'm going to apply some NYX Glitter Glue. To apply my favorite glitter, this is by MAC. I recently actually got my hands on it. These are in shade Yellow Gold, and as you can see, the glitter is just beautiful. And honestly, glitter always takes your eye makeup to some next level. Now it's time for some eyeliner. For that I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner. Now this eyeliner is not something I would rely on for a bride, but I recently got the Huda Beauty eyeliner. The one that has a kohl on one side and it has like a, sorry, not kohl pencil, but I would say like a pencil on one side, and then it has a liquid liner on the other side. It's definitely must have for bridal makeups because it is amazing. It's super durable. It doesn't even get runny with water or even makeup removers, so I think even if you sweat or cry, it's gonna stay very sturdy. So the next shade that I've applied on my brow bone, it's called I'm In It. And then I'm gonna also do my outer corner with some black eyeshadow. Now it's time for some mascara. It's called Snapscara by Maybelline. And then some time for some lashes. Lashes are must-have when you're doing eye makeup. These ones are called Lash Chateau, and this is in the style called the 6, which is a very Toronto kind of style. And these lashes, I'm gonna link their Instagram down below in the description box for you guys to have a look. Now I'm gonna mix two of my favorite foundations. Those are both by Maybelline. One is in 320. This is the Super Stay 24-hour one, and then I have the 310 by Fit Me. And I like to mix them because one is super full coverage and the other one is more dewy. So when you mix them together, you kind of get a full coverage and you kind of get a hydrating one kind of mixed together. I love this foundation. The finish of this foundation is just outstanding and it matches my skin to the T. Now it's time for some highlight. For that, I'm using my Age Rewind highlighter and it is in the shade Sand. Again, it's by Maybelline. And using the same brush, I'm blending it all around my highlighted zones. To set everything, I'm going to be using Charlotte Tilbury's loose powder. This is in the shade 2. It's for fair and medium, and it's called Magic Powder Under Eye and Face. Honestly, guys, I've been in love with it. I was kind of double guessing about buying this because I wasn't sure how it's gonna be, but it automatically brightens up your under eyes and it looks super flawless once you apply it. The next I'm applying is this Medium Plus Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC Cosmetics, and it's super light and it feels very fine finish on the face, and it's beautiful as well. Now to contour, or rather to give it a little bit of bronzing plus contour, I'm using Give Me Sun by MAC Cosmetics. Again, I love this contouring or bronze, I would say. I love to contour with this bronze because it looks very natural and it doesn't give you that super gray or dark look. It gives you a very perfect bronze slash contour look, so it's beautiful. It does have a little bit of orangey tone to it, but sometimes I don't know why, I think I like it, especially with a red outfit. I like to go with a little orangey undertone bronzers versus, Benefit has a little bit of the ashy gray to it. For blush, I've used Milani and NYX together, and it has a very peachy vibe to it. Again, all the names in the description will be listed down below on the description box for you guys to have a look. For highlight today, I'm using Saleha Beauty Highlight. I believe it's called So Hollywood, but I will definitely double check and put it down on the description box for you guys to have a look. All the product details and the brushes that I've been using for this tutorial is all going to be listed on the description box. So if you have any questions, first look into it. If not, just type it up on the comment section and I will answer each and all of you. Now for some under eye liner, I'm going to thicken it up and make it look nice and bolded black eyeliner look. So for that, I'm going with my Essence eyeliner in shade black, and Essence Cosmetics is so affordable and the quality is just outstanding. Once the eyeliner has been applied, I'm now going to smudge it, and also apply some powder with it. And for the powder, I'm using the same black eyeshadow powder from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and for the brush I'm using this Mac 212 brush to kind of smudge it. Next, I'm going to apply some lip liner. Oh my gosh, eyeliner. Lip liner, and this is in the shade Cherry by MAC Cosmetics. And I'm going to top it up with some Kiss Cosmetics. It's the Kiss Professional New York Cosmetics, and I'm going to basically apply this because I find it's a perfect red, and it matches my sari a lot. So I definitely had to use it. So yeah, I'm gonna top it up with some bindi because I honestly think bridal makeup without bindi is not even finished, especially when you're doing Bengali bridal makeup. This is a must have. I'm gonna just apply my matha patti right now using some bobby pins. I'm gonna secure both sides and the matha patti. These jewelries are super amazing. These are actually by Amore by Shika. She's on Instagram as well. I will put down her link down below. I just wanted to make sure my matha patti is straight, so I was looking at the computer to see which side I should place it, and this is how I think I'm gonna have to place it. So I'm gonna first apply my one side first and secure it with some bobby pin, and then I'm gonna move on to the other one. Honestly, the hair was actually done by my business partner, Preeti, but I was so lazy and I slept with it, so my hair is really messy right now. But yeah, she did an amazing job. She really does an amazing job with hair anyway, but I messed it up because I slept up with it. So for some alpona, this is like the design that a lot of Bengali brides do, so I had to do this because without this, a Bengali bride is not really a Bengali bride. So I had to do this. So there's a difference. Bangladeshi brides don't do this anymore. They used to a long time ago, like my mom, my nani, like my grandma, they did it. But then now a lot of the brides are more modern. They don't do it anymore. I do see some Kolkata brides doing it still. But yeah, again, not a lot. Some of the brides does it. It's very optional nowadays because people are heading towards more modern look. But I tend to find that this look is back, you know, in style, and a lot of brides are doing this kind of style because, you know, tradition is always, it comes and goes, but tradition, like, you know, style comes and goes, but tradition is tradition and it kind of stays. And even if you know, happen to do this traditional style, it doesn't look bad at all because 50 years down the road when your kids grow up, they're still gonna like it because it's traditional. And this is the whole entire look. For the the white alpona, I've actually used Space Panda, and this is by Suba Cosmetics. And this is their Hydra liner, so they're actually water activated, and it's super easy to apply, so you can draw it in any way you like it. So here, after my dupatta, this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. It is super dramatic for sure, but honestly speaking, like, I had two options. I wanted to do either a smoky eye or a glitter eye, but then I bought the MAC glitter in yellow gold, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to use this because this gold and the sari gold was the same gold. I hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next tutorial. Till then, take care, stay safe, and thank you so much for watching. And also don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more of me, then you can definitely join me on my Instagram at Makeup by Azmeree. Thank you, and so much for watching, and take care.